In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set an HDR Sky as well as import a custom HDR Sky. To set a HDR Sky, we're going to go to Settings, select Environment Settings, and then click on the HDR Sky tab. Go ahead and enable Use HDR Sky, and then go ahead and click on the sky thumbnail to select the desired sky. I'm going to select HDR Sky 23. Now we can adjust the properties of the HDR Sky. We can set the exposure as desired, change the angle, offset, zoom, horizon distance, and the horizon fade. Now we are also seeing the default skyline enabled, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Skyline tab and then disable Add Skyline. Click OK. And there we go. Now we have set an HDR Sky. You can also import custom HDR Skies by going to Tools and then selecting the HDR Sky Import Wizard. For this tutorial, I've already gone ahead and downloaded an HDR Sky from Polyhaven. Go ahead and click Next, and then go ahead and select the desired EXR file. Go ahead and click Next, Next, and Finish. Now I'm going to adjust the properties of this imported HDR Sky. We're also going to go to Settings, Environment Settings, HDR Sky, and now we're going to adjust our properties. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.